Robinhood Crypto Investment Platform. Usage experience. Robinhood Crypto is designed for both beginners and seasoned investors seeking a streamlined platform to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies alongside stocks and ETFs. Known for its user-friendly interface and zero-commission trades, it's a go-to choice for those looking to manage various assets in one app. Signing up is quick, and you can start trading crypto with as little as $1, making it accessible for almost anyone. The platform supports a range of popular cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and more, and its seamless integration with Robinhood's broader ecosystem allows for easy diversification. One standout feature is the instant funding for trades, meaning you don't have to wait for deposits to clear. Additionally, the real-time market data, customizable alerts, and price charts provide the essential tools for informed decision-making. However, Robinhood Crypto is not without its drawbacks. The platform doesn't offer advanced features like staking or wallet transfers for many cryptocurrencies, which could limit its appeal for more advanced traders. That said, its focus on simplicity makes it an excellent choice for those primarily interested in trading and portfolio tracking rather than deep blockchain integration. Security-wise, Robinhood employs industry-standard measures, including two-factor authentication, but it's worth noting that the platform doesn't yet provide insurance for crypto holdings. This means you should exercise caution and consider diversification across other platforms if security is your top priority. Ultimately, Robinhood Crypto excels in accessibilities, making it ideal for new investors dipping their toes into cryptocurrency trading or for existing Robinhood users seeking to expand their portfolios. While it lacks some features that advanced users might seek, its low barriers to entry and integration with traditional asset trading make it a strong contender for casual traders. If you're looking for an easy-to-use platform to start trading crypto with no hidden fees, Robinhood Crypto is worth considering. That's my honest experience. Let me know your thoughts, or if you have any questions in the comments below.